Busy Baking. Aprons on, we are ready to bake. Let's make a yummy birthday cake. Can you find the sugar? Whisk the eggs and stir flour in. Then pour the mix into the tin. Point to the weighing scales. The cake is ready. It smells great. Now it's time to decorate. What color is the icing? The party started. It's such fun. A slice of cake for everyone. How many children are there? Busy baking.